To begin the thumb over thumb technique, start at the lower back and create small circular motions with your thumbs crossing over each other. Gradually work your way up towards the shoulders while constantly pushing down with our thumbs. When pulling your arms back down, ensure continuous contact with the skin, so avoid lifting your hands off the back. This technique allows for significant pressure, so it's essential to regularly check with the recipient to ensure they are still comfortable with the intensity level. If you wish to increase the pressure, press more vertically with your thumbs. At Kneadwise, the thumb over thumb technique is one of our favorites for targeting the trapezius and neck muscles. The same principles used on the back apply here, but due to the smaller area, we focus on the same spot for a longer duration. Move slightly up and down, and remember to include the neck muscles, which tend to get tight due to over-excessive use. Always ensure you do not forget to massage the other side as well. Balancing your massage techniques on both sides promotes symmetry and overall relaxation.